Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're transporting you to the beautiful tropical island resort called the Sheraton Phuket Resort and Spa in Phuket, Thailand. The resort is located on the edge of the gorgeous LiQWYD beach on the northwest coast of Phuket Island. Next to it are JW Marriott Sala Phuket Resort and Spa, Serena Marine National Park, and the famous Soy Dog Foundation. The resort is only 20 minutes away drive from the Phuket International Airport and about 40 minutes drive to Phuket town. This is the perfect one-stop destination for those who seek luxury holiday experience, serene atmosphere, direct access to the beach, and convenient drive to the airport. So if that sounds like your kind of vacation, let's go take a look inside. The property was built in 2010, but despite being more than 10 years old, all the facilities are still in great shape and doesn't look dated at all, thanks to its modern and timeless design. The architectural design of this place is cohesive and very stylish. The resort beautifully incorporates the modern structure with natural tones and textures inspired by the beach, like warm woods and white stones, creating a tropical and calming aesthetic. We stayed in one king bed guest room. The room is 46 square meters, decorated with colorful warm-toned palettes. The vibrance of the furniture gives a very refreshing feeling, matching very nicely with the relaxing deep green from the tropical palm trees outside. The room overlooks the pool and the main lobby building. Here we have a pretty spacious balcony with 2 patio chairs. There's a clothes drying rack you can put out here and dry your wet clothes as well. The room has floor-to-ceiling window, making it feel spacious and allowing plenty of natural daylight. The room features 1 deluxe king bed, working desk, table and sitting area, a mini fridge, coffee, tea maker, and a mini bar. We got a big bathroom, there's separate bathtub, walk-in shower, hair dryer, premium bath amenities by Tokyo Milk. All room is non-smoking room and the resort doesn't allow pets except for service animals. The hotel features outdoor pools, 5-star restaurants, spa, kids club, game room, fitness center, free parking, and free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. A range of recreational activities are also available for all ages, including yoga classes, Pilates, aqua aerobics, beach volleyball, Thai boxing, and bike tours. And now, if you're ready to soak up some sun, let's go check out the beach. As soon as you come down, you'll be welcomed by the Zen garden filled with beautiful white sand. And on our way to the beach, there are 2 more facilities, the Kids Club and the spa. The Kids Club has a small outdoor kids pool with multiple sunbeds. Activities program for kids and nanny service are also available. Here we have the hotel spa called the Quan Spa. Many call it the hidden gem. The spa offers a long list of beauty and wellness treatment, like the popular couple massage, facials, body scrub, and body wraps. Booking in advance is highly recommended. I gotta say the hotel's private beach is our most favorite part of this trip. During the Phuket trip, we've stayed in the 4-season hotel. We also got a video on that if you're interested. We visited the Patong Beach, Phang Bay, Phi Phi Island, Long Island, and other small nearby islands. They were all very fascinating, but after all the adventure we had, we just want to have a restful day and just lie by the beach. And this is just the place for that. This is the hotel's private beach. It is part of the LiQWYD beach. The thing we love the most about it is that we can enjoy the beautiful ocean and have the luxurious amenity provided right on the beach. The hotel provides multiple sunbeds, clean water, and towels. There's a restaurant where you can order a meal or cocktails and have them served right on your sunbed. There's also a small massage station where you can conveniently get the massage without having to leave the beach. And if you want to cool down, the pool is only just a few steps away. Basically, they have everything you need. The beach itself is very romantic. I can see why a lot of people choose this place to have their special events. On top of that, the hotel did an excellent job keeping it spotless. We went there during the high season and there were a lot of people, but still there are more than enough sunbeds for everyone. And because the beach is very long and wide, it was almost like we had the entire beach to ourselves. So we never really felt that it was crowded, well, compared to the previous hotel, the Four Seasons Hotel in Patong Beach. We had our breakfast at one of the resort restaurants called the LiQWYD. This international cuisine features Western, Thai, and Indian menu, both live cooking and buffet stations. The restaurant has pretty diverse menu options, from Thai spicy soup, stir-fried noodle, American-style breakfast, freshly squeezed juice, healthy smoothies, to fresh pastries. And if you have a chance to visit this place, make sure to try out their signature dishes like the egg benedict with sea grape and the fluffy pancakes served with the signature homemade caramel sauce. There are multiple seating options. You can enjoy your breakfast indoor in a modern dining room or out on the terrace for the peaceful lagoon views. For dinner, don't forget to visit Ta Kiang Restaurant for the perfect romantic dinner for two by the beach. The multi-award-winning Thai restaurant is famous for its authentic classic Thai and Phuket's favorite dishes. You can choose to dine in front of the stunning beach views or the charming indoor dining area under the candlelights. And now for the nearby attractions. There are many places you can stop by, like a forest and a lake sanctuary for rescue elephants called the Lake Phuket Elephant. Sea Cave Canoe, where you can book a canoe session exploring the beautiful caves and lagoons of Phang Bay. Cable Jungle Adventure Phuket, located deep inside the Phuket rainforest, where you can experience a thrilling journey which takes you soaring among the ancient trees. Or something for the family, like Splash Jungle Water Park, where the entire family can enjoy the water slides, family raft ride, and some cool drinks. The resort also provides the bicycle rental and shuttle bus service. The bicycle rental is free, so don't miss out on a chance to explore the resort's gorgeous tropical surroundings. The airport shuttle fee is around 1,550 Thai baht per vehicle. The shuttle service to Patong Beach and Phuket Town can be arranged at an additional charge. We recommend this place for family, couple, and those who seek a tranquil and peaceful retreat. The price is definitely on the higher end, but it's worth the money. We really enjoy our stay here and we hope you enjoy this video too. Thank you for coming with us. I hope you guys enjoy this tour, and if you'd like to see more travel and room tours videos, don't forget to subscribe for more. And I'll see you next trip.